Honda Moto Compo. The Honda Moto Compo, a compact and foldable electric scooter designed for effortless city navigation. Its sleek and updated design ensures hassle-free storage and portability, making it the perfect companion for zipping around urban streets. Whether you need to dash to your next destination or bridge the final stretch of your commute, the Moto Compo has got you covered. With its convenient foldable feature, it's ready to go wherever you need it to, providing a handy solution for short-distance travels and closing the gap on your daily commute with ease. Say goodbye to traffic jams and hello to convenient city cruising with the Honda Moto Compo.